Tired, inflamed, bloated, your body begs for recovery at night. But what if one fruit could do more than just satisfy your sweet tooth? Pomegranate isn't just pretty. It's packed with plant compounds that support sleep, detox your liver, lower blood pressure, and repair skin, all while you sleep. Most people only enjoy it during the day, but science shows eating pomegranate at night may unlock powerful benefits across your heart, brain, gut, and hormones. No pills required. In this video, you'll discover 12 hidden benefits of eating pomegranate before bed, backed by science and designed to help you sleep deeper, recover faster, and wake up stronger. Hit like and subscribe now so you don't miss our entire sleep optimization series, and comment Night Pom if you're ready to transform your evening routine. I respond personally to early comments with additional tips. Let's start with the benefit most people never associate with fruit: how pomegranate helps your brain relax and your body finally rest through the night. Number 1. Improves sleep quality. Nature's alternative to sleep medication that works with your brain chemistry instead of against it. Pomegranate contains natural phytochemicals that support your brain's production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep-wake cycle. Unlike artificial sleep aids, pomegranate doesn't force sleep. It facilitates your body's natural rhythm. The mechanism centers around pomegranate's tryptophan content and its unique polyphenols that help convert this amino acid into serotonin and then into melatonin, creating a gentle cascade effect that signals your brain it's time to rest. A 2021 study published in the peer-reviewed journal Nutrients found that participants who consumed pomegranate juice before bed experienced a significant improvement in sleep efficiency and reported falling asleep an average of about 15 minutes faster than the control group. For optimal results, consume half a cup of fresh pomegranate seeds or 4 ounces of pure pomegranate juice about 45 to 60 minutes before bedtime, allowing enough time for digestion while maximizing the sleep-promoting benefits. If you're sensitive to acidic foods before bed, try diluting the juice slightly with water to prevent potential digestive discomfort. When was the last time you enjoyed truly restorative sleep without medication? Many people report that natural sleep enhancers like pomegranate provide a more refreshed feeling upon waking than synthetic alternatives. While pomegranate helps you sleep, its next benefit works directly on your cardiovascular system throughout the night when your heart needs recovery most. Number 2. Supports blood pressure regulation. The nighttime vascular relaxant that gives your heart the break it desperately needs. Consuming pomegranate before bed provides a natural way to support healthy blood pressure throughout the night, when many people experience dangerous blood pressure spikes during early morning hours. Pomegranate contains potent bioactive compounds called punicolagens that help relax blood vessels and improve nitric oxide production, a molecule that signals your blood vessels to dilate, reducing resistance and easing the workload on your heart. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that regular evening consumption of pomegranate juice reduced systolic blood pressure by an average of 5 to 12 millimeters of mercury in participants with elevated blood pressure after just 8 weeks. To maximize this benefit, consistency matters more than quantity. Even a small serving of 3 to 4 ounces of pure pomegranate juice or a quarter cup of seeds before bed can provide significant cardiovascular support when consumed regularly. Important caution: if you're taking blood pressure medications or blood thinners like warfarin, consult your healthcare provider before adding pomegranate to your routine, as it may enhance these medications' effects. As your blood vessels relax and circulation improves, something equally important happens to your stress hormones. They begin to decline more rapidly than normal. Number 3. Reduces cortisol and stress. Your natural off switch for the mental chatter that keeps you awake at night. When eaten before bed, pomegranate helps lower excessive cortisol levels, the stress hormone that, when elevated at night, disrupts sleep patterns and contributes to nighttime anxiety and racing thoughts. The fruit's unique elagitannins interact with stress response pathways, effectively signaling your adrenal glands to slow cortisol production, while simultaneously supporting GABA receptors in the brain, the same ones targeted by anti-anxiety medications, but without side effects. A 2021 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that participants consuming pomegranate extract before bed showed a 20% reduction in evening cortisol levels and reported feeling significantly more relaxed during their bedtime routine. For stress reduction benefits, pair pomegranate with a deliberate wind-down routine. Try mixing the seeds into unsweetened yogurt 60 minutes before bed. Then disconnect from screens and practice gentle stretching or deep breathing while the compounds take effect. The cortisol-lowering effect doesn't just improve sleep. It creates the perfect neurochemical environment for your brain to begin its critical overnight cleaning process. Number 4. Boosts brain detox while you sleep. The brain-cleansing superfruit that helps flush away cognitive toxins as you dream. During sleep, your brain activates its glymphatic system, a waste clearance pathway that removes harmful proteins and metabolites that accumulate during waking hours, and pomegranate's unique compounds significantly enhance this essential cleaning process. Pomegranate's potent antioxidants, particularly ellagic acid and punic ellagens, protect brain cells from oxidative damage while simultaneously increasing cerebral blood flow, allowing your glymphatic system to work more efficiently in removing neurotoxic waste products. Research published in the journal Neurology found that participants consuming antioxidant-rich foods like pomegranate before bed showed increased markers of overnight brain detoxification and demonstrated improved cognitive performance the following morning. For maximum brain benefits, incorporate pomegranate seeds into your evening routine 3 to 4 times weekly, as the cumulative effect of these compounds appears to offer the greatest neuroprotective advantage when maintained consistently over time. Ever wondered why you sometimes wake with mental clarity after certain foods, while others leave you foggy? The connection between evening nutrition and overnight brain detoxification may explain why some people report sharper thinking after adopting a pomegranate bedtime ritual. While your brain clears itself of toxins, pomegranate works simultaneously throughout your body, targeting one of the root causes of nearly all chronic health conditions. Number 5. Reduces inflammation markers. The nighttime inflammation fighter that works while conventional treatments rest. Pomegranate contains a unique profile of anti-inflammatory compounds that specifically target and suppress the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-alpha, the very same markers that rise during sleep disorders and contribute to chronic disease. These powerful compounds, especially punicic acid and ellagitannins, work by inhibiting the NF-κB pathway, a master regulator of inflammatory responses, while simultaneously activating NRF2, a protein that triggers your body's own production of antioxidant enzymes. A comprehensive 2023 meta-analysis, published in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition, reviewed 16 clinical trials and found that pomegranate consumption significantly reduced inflammatory markers in participants with conditions ranging from arthritis to metabolic syndrome. For inflammation-related benefits, consistency trumps quantity. Consuming even a small amount before bed several times weekly can maintain therapeutic levels of these compounds in your bloodstream throughout the night. However, if you have inflammatory bowel conditions, start with very small amounts to ensure the fruit's natural acids don't aggravate your digestive system. As inflammation subsides throughout your body, another remarkable benefit emerges, this time in your digestive system, where wellness truly begins. Number 6. Improves gut microbiome diversity. The prebiotic nightcap that feeds your beneficial bacteria while you sleep. Pomegranate seeds contain specialized prebiotic fibers and polyphenols that serve as food for beneficial gut bacteria, allowing these helpful microbes to multiply overnight when your digestive system is in its rest and repair mode. These compounds work as selective microbial growth factors, preferentially feeding beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria and lactobacillus, while inhibiting the growth of potentially harmful bacteria through the fruit's natural antimicrobial properties. Research published in the International Journal of Food Microbiology demonstrated that subjects consuming pomegranate extract showed a notable increase in beneficial bacteria populations and improved ratios of firmicutes to bacteroidetes, a marker associated with metabolic health. For optimal gut benefits, combine pomegranate seeds with a small amount of unsweetened yogurt or kefir before bed, creating a synergistic probiotic-prebiotic combination that amplifies the beneficial effects on your microbiome. Those with severe digestive disorders such as Crohn's disease or active ulcerative colitis should introduce pomegranate gradually and monitor for tolerance, as the seeds may be difficult to digest for some. Have you noticed how digestive comfort affects your sleep quality? Many people report that nurturing gut health before bed leads to more restful sleep and fewer nighttime digestive disturbances. As your gut health improves, something remarkable happens to your circulatory system during those critical nighttime recovery hours. Number 7. Increases circulation and oxygen flow. The vascular enhancer that delivers more oxygen to your tissues exactly when they need it most. Consuming pomegranate before sleep triggers a cascade of vascular benefits that improve blood flow throughout your body during the night, the critical period when most cellular repair and regeneration occurs. The fruit's unique nitrate content converts to nitric oxide in your bloodstream, a molecule that signals blood vessels to dilate, while its powerful polyphenols protect that nitric oxide from degradation, creating a sustained improvement in circulation that lasts throughout your sleep cycle. A 2022 study in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that participants consuming pomegranate juice before bed showed a 17% increase in peripheral blood flow and improved oxygen delivery to tissues during sleep compared to the control group. To maximize circulation benefits, avoid pairing pomegranate with high-fat foods before bed, as fat can temporarily reduce nitric oxide production. Instead, consume the seeds or juice alone or with a small protein source for optimal absorption of the active compounds. Critical note: if you're taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, Coumadin, consult your doctor before consuming pomegranate regularly, as its natural blood-thinning effects may compound with your medication. This enhanced nighttime circulation doesn't just benefit your heart, it delivers more nutrients and oxygen to every cell in your body, including your largest organ, your skin. Number 8. Supports skin repair. Overnight, the beauty secret that works beneath the surface while conventional skincare stops at the epidermis. Pomegranate provides your skin with powerful compounds that enhance collagen production, fight oxidative damage, and accelerate cell turnover, all happening during sleep, when skin renewal naturally peaks between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m. The fruit's exceptional concentration of vitamin C, ellagic acid, and unique punicolagens work synergistically to protect existing collagen from degradation, while simultaneously supporting fibroblast activity, the cells responsible for producing new collagen and elastin. Research in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology demonstrated that subjects consuming pomegranate extract showed significant improvements in skin elasticity, reduced visible signs of UV damage, and accelerated wound healing compared to placebo groups. For enhanced skin benefits, combine your evening pomegranate ritual with proper hydration and quality sleep. Try keeping a glass of water beside your bed and sleeping in a completely darkened room to maximize your body's natural production of growth hormone, which works alongside pomegranate's compounds to accelerate skin repair. While your skin rejuvenates from within, pomegranate silently triggers another remarkable process, one that explains why some people notice changes in body composition after adopting this evening ritual. Number 9. Supports fat burning during rest. The metabolic nightcap that helps your body burn fat while you sleep. Pomegranate contains unique bioactive compounds that activate brown adipose tissue, a specialized fat that burns energy rather than storing it. And this activation peaks during sleep when your body naturally shifts toward fat utilization for energy. The fruit's polyphenols, particularly punicic acid, work by increasing PPAR gamma activation, a metabolic switch that enhances your body's ability to use stored fat for fuel during the fasting period of sleep, while simultaneously improving insulin sensitivity. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that participants consuming pomegranate extract before bed showed increased overnight fat oxidation and improved metabolic flexibility, the ability to switch between carbohydrate and fat burning compared to control groups. For optimal metabolic benefits, time your pomegranate consumption at least 2 to 3 hours after your last meal and about 30 to 45 minutes before sleep, creating the ideal metabolic environment for your body to transition into fat-burning mode during the night. Important note: if you have diabetes or are taking medications to manage blood sugar, monitor your levels carefully when adding pomegranate to your routine, as it may enhance the effects of these medications. This metabolic support doesn't just affect your body composition, it creates hormonal balance throughout your entire endocrine system, particularly benefiting reproductive health. Number 10. Helps regulate estrogen and menstrual health. The female-friendly fruit that gently balances hormones without synthetic intervention. For women, evening consumption of pomegranate provides phytoestrogens that help modulate estrogen receptor activity, not by adding hormones, but by optimizing how your body responds to its own estrogen, creating balance rather than dominance or deficiency. These plant compounds, particularly luteolin and kaempferol, act as selective estrogen receptor modulators, meaning they can have either estrogenic or anti-estrogenic effects, depending on what your body needs, helping to smooth out hormonal fluctuations. Research in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that women consuming pomegranate extract for 3 menstrual cycles reported significant improvements in symptoms related to hormonal imbalance, including reduced PMS severity and more regular cycles. For hormone balancing benefits, consistency is key. Try incorporating pomegranate into your evening routine for at least 6 to 8 weeks, as hormonal benefits typically become most noticeable after 2 to 3 menstrual cycles of regular consumption. Caution: women with hormone-sensitive conditions, such as certain types of breast, uterine, or ovarian cancers, should consult their healthcare provider before using pomegranate therapeutically. Women aren't the only ones who benefit from pomegranate's hormone-balancing effects. Men experience equally important advantages for reproductive and overall health. Number 11. May boost testosterone and fertility in men. The masculine fruit that ancient cultures recognized as a symbol of male vitality for good reason. For men, pomegranate contains compounds that may naturally support healthy testosterone levels by inhibiting aromatase, the enzyme that converts testosterone to estrogen, while simultaneously reducing oxidative stress in testicular tissue. These effects come primarily from pomegranate's ellagic acid and punicalagins, which protect Leydig cells from damage and support enzymatic pathways involved in testosterone synthesis, particularly during sleep when most hormone production occurs. A 2012 study presented in Endocrine Abstracts, a peer-reviewed international conference report, found that men consuming pomegranate juice daily for 8 weeks showed an average 24% increase in salivary testosterone levels and improvements in sperm quality compared to the placebo group. For optimal hormone-supporting benefits, men should aim for consistency rather than quantity. A small serving of 3 to 4 ounces of juice or quarter cup of seeds before bed, maintained regularly over time, appears more effective than occasional larger amounts. If conventional skincare hasn't delivered the results you want, could your approach be missing the critical internal component? Many people spend hundreds on topical products while overlooking the powerful skin-renewing foods that work from the inside out. As pomegranate supports your hormones through the night, it simultaneously addresses a commonly overlooked aspect of nighttime health: proper hydration and electrolyte balance. Number 12. Supports overnight hydration. The electrolyte-rich nightcap that prevents midnight muscle cramps and morning dehydration. Pomegranate provides a perfect balance of hydration and electrolytes that support your body through the night, a critical 7 to 9 hour period when you're not consuming any fluids, yet still losing water through respiration and perspiration. Each pomegranate serving delivers a significant amount of potassium alongside naturally occurring magnesium and trace minerals that help maintain proper fluid balance in tissues and prevent nocturnal muscle cramps. Research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry identified pomegranate as having one of the highest electrolyte profiles among fruits, with a particularly beneficial potassium to sodium ratio that supports healthy blood pressure and fluid balance during overnight hours. For maximum hydration benefits, consume pomegranate about 30 to 45 minutes before sleep, and consider keeping a small glass of water by your bedside. The fruit's natural compounds help your cells retain moisture more effectively, making the water you do drink more functional for your tissues. Critical caution: those with kidney disease or impaired kidney function should limit pomegranate consumption due to its high potassium content, as their kidneys may struggle to clear excess potassium from the bloodstream. By incorporating this simple evening ritual of enjoying pomegranate before bed, you're not just satisfying a sweet craving, you're providing your body with precisely timed nutrition that amplifies its natural overnight healing processes. Remember that while pomegranate offers remarkable benefits, it's not appropriate for everyone. Those taking blood thinners, certain medications that interact with grapefruit, or people with kidney issues should consult their healthcare provider before adding it to their nighttime routine. You might be wondering if there are other fruits that offer similar nighttime benefits for those who don't enjoy pomegranate, or who want to rotate different options throughout the week. Surprisingly, there's another ruby red fruit that contains an even more potent form of melatonin-boosting compounds, one that's been clinically studied for its ability to improve sleep quality and reduce inflammatory markers even more dramatically than pomegranate. Don't miss our next video, Cherries Benefits, 13 Amazing Health Benefits of Cherries You Need to Know, where we'll reveal the research-backed reasons this simple fruit might be the most underrated superfood for sleep, pain relief, and recovery. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos on science-backed nutrition tips that can transform your health one simple change at a time.